Good day, sir. I am PLJ Paring, first year BSc1 Charlie. This time, I will be discussing about criminalistic. Is criminalistic the same as criminology? While criminology is focuses on social sciences, criminalistic is rooted in natural sciences. Criminalistic involves the collection and analysis of physical evidence found at crime scenes. Criminalistics. Criminalistics can be defined as the application of scientific methods to the recognition, collection, identification, and comparison of physical evidence generated by criminal or illegal civil activity. It also involves the reconstruction of such events by evaluation of the physical evidence and the crime scene. Criminalists, usually called forensic sciences, analyze evidence such as body fluids in order to determine if DNA in those fluids matches blood found at a crime scene. Other forensic scientists may help identify, collect, and evaluate physical evidence at a crime scene. What is criminalistics used for? Criminalists analyze, compare, identify, and interpret physical evidence, then report results for use in the justice system. The main role of the criminalist is to objectively apply standard, scientific processing of techniques of the physical and natural sciences to examine physical evidence. Branches of forensic science or criminalistics. Forensic science or criminalistics is the link between legal studies and subjects of science, physics, chemistry, and biology. It aims at answering, disclosing, and unearthing grave puzzles which remain unanswered and are of legal interest to interpret crime scenes, gather evidence, and provide the very important information pertinent for a law enforcement office or a judge to come to a decision. In criminalistic, there are two divisions, the scientific and technological. The scientific has three branches, chemistry, physics, and biology. The technological has three branches also, the firearm identification, question document examination, and fingerprint identification. Scientific division. Chemistry. It includes the study of the following: alcohol analysis, toxicology, narcotic and substance abuse testing, firearms discharge residues, identification of paint chips, chemical development of latin prints, and all types of analysis show the use of chemical reagents and electronic instruments. Chemistry is the analytic study of substances that could easily be misidentified or confused, and finding their identity. Forensic chemists analyze the physical and chemical properties of different materials in order to identify them correctly where one or more materials may have similar properties. Physics. It is focuses on the firearm identification, soul mark comparison, scientific photography, traffic or vehicular accidents for purpose of finding out the speed and direction of vehicle, and used for X-rays to the detection of crime. Physics is the application of physics for purposes of civil or criminal law. Forensic physics has traditionally involved the measurement of density, like for example, soil and glass examination, refractive index of material, and birefringence for fiber analysis. Biology is the study of living things. Biology is the application of biology to associate a person with their suspect or victim, to a location, an item, or collection of items. Another person, it can be utilized to further investigation for both criminal and civil cases. The biologists in the police laboratories study all kinds of living things: blood, semen, urine, hairs, and skins. His most important role in criminalistic is to examine blood stains in order to find out if they are human or animal origin. Technological division. Firearm identification. It deals with the study regarding of comparison and identification of weapon alleged to have been used in the commission in crime. Question document examination is concerned with examination of forged, altered, or suspected papers in order to determine and see if they are genuine or not. That is the tenor of substance. On face, the documents have been changed in any way that is prejudice of others. Fingerprint identification. Fingerprint is a positive proof wherein law enforcement agencies look upon the science as the best evidence of positive identification. Fingerprint is one form of biometrics, a science which uses people's physical or biological characteristics to identify them. No two people have the same fingerprints, not even identical twins. That's all. Thank you.